Hello you wonderful humans, welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie Alyce and I'm going to be teaching you an arm combination. So this is a 32 count combination of beautiful arms, so it's a nice fluid choreography just with our arms, and then at the very end we're going to layer it with a hip snap. So I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more weekly tutorials, and also for dance videos as well. So I release a weekly dance video and a tutorial, and click the like button if you do like it and share to your friends. Enjoy. So we're going to start off this arm combination today by taking our right hand to our chest. We're going to go 1 and with the left hand 2. So we go 1, 2. We're then going to lift our hands up. So they're going to basically do an undulation with the hands up and come down to the side. So for 3, 4. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we add a little wrist curl in there. And we're going to swoop them up to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. So cross the hands over because we're going to take them behind the head. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Take them to the side. 5. Look down at your left. So 5, 6. Take your left hand to your face. For 7. Push your face forward. For 8. And we'll recap that. So we're going to go right, left, lift, down, swoop up, arms come around the back of the head, down to the side, look, hand to face and push. Good, we'll do that with a count. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, 2, 3, 4. Look, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Perfect. The second part we're going to add, so we've just turned our face to the front. We're going to take our right arm up, so we're going to swoop this arm up. This arm is then going to come around the back of the head and down. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side, so let's just practice that on its own. So we lift the right arm, swoop it around the back of the head and down, so you can add a little wrist curl as it comes down. Second hand, lift up, around the back of the head and down. So up, down, up, down. Good. And we're going to alternate it this time. So as we lift the right arm up to the top, the left arm is going to start traveling up. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So with the choreography, so we have our hand to hand across, hand to face, and we're going to lift up the right arm. So we're going to go, as we lift the right arm up, the left hand is then going to come down the body. So it's going to kind of come down to lift back up again. So we're going to lift the arm. We go 1, 2, change. This arm's going to start to come up, so the left arm. 3, 4, up 5, 6, and again 7, 8. Good. Actually, we take that arm outside. 7, 8. Perfect. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay. This time, the left arm is going to come down. The right arm is going to come across the body. So you're going as if you're going for a self-hug. So we go 1, 2. Good. We then take the left arm across for 3, 4. Perfect. And again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. For 5, we're going to open 5. So really, like, what would you say? Really impactful. 5. And then let the hand wrist curl down. 6, 7, 8 to the side. Good. Okay, let's do that one more time from that second count. So for the second 2 counts of 8. So facing the front, we're going to lift the right arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, hug, 3, 4, open, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, okay, let's join that all together. So starting with the right hand coming across the chest, we're going to go. We'll take it nice and slow to start with, so we'll go half time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, lift, 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8, lift, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go cross, 2, 3, 4, open, 5, 6, 7, 8, perfect, double turn, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and lift, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, open, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. We're going to try it a little bit harder this time. So we're going to add a layer with our hips. So I just want you to mark the beat with our hips. So hip snaps. Don't worry, I will link my hip snap tutorial in the description below, just so you can start to add that layer once you feel comfortable with this choreography. So go with the hips. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and across. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing! Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this armography video, and don't forget to comment in the box below if there's any videos that you want to be seeing. So I'm going to be releasing a turns tutorial. This is going to be with my dance partner. I know some of you requested to see some videos on turns, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget, every week there'll be a new tutorial, so just keep me posted on what you want to see. And I hope you have enjoyed today's class, and I will see you next week for more.